to do is hang on to me like 10 pieces of carrot and 1,000 beans. They know not how I feel within. They don't even know where I've been. All them see is just a pretty face, and it's a juvenile that them can interlace. They know not how I feel within. They don't even know where I've been. I am a warrior in the break. If you are watching critical, I just an overlay. Simple as it's supposed to be, life can be obscene. Some people seem to think that life is just a dream. But a dream without a vision is just another scheme. You are between the lines that take it to the extreme. They think it's so easy for me, but people like to talk things that are so unreal. They need to be realistic and come off of the trees. Some can't see the vision, but some just wanna be. They know not how I feel within. They don't even know where I've been. All them see is just a pretty face, and they think it's a dripping out that them can interlace. They know not how I feel within. They don't even know where I've been. I am a warrior in the break. If you know what you're doing, let's just stand over there. Just shoot me little and petty. People underestimate the recipe. That broad is little girl. Just come in here, have a little girl. But I'm here to tell you nothing is what it seems. Judge is the judge of who I am to be. None of the people in this world. Nobody knows me. They don't know how I feel within. They don't even know where I've been. All them see is just a pretty face. They think it's a dripping out that they can interlace. They know not how I feel within. They don't even know where I've been. I am a warrior in the break. If you go watch me critical, let's just stand overlay myself. No matter if you're brown, no matter if you're black, keep on listening before you're ready to attack. I mean, some people think that they are better than the rest.